Alright, KTAuthentics Sports Memorabilia and Cards. We are running back the last jumbo box for tonight. Random Division number 2. Hopefully this is a lot better than Random Division number 1. Everyone blames Sean for picking that box. Yep. Yeah, Frank, I knew that. It's crazy. 5 and a 1, 6 times. 6 times. We got PC Nelly, Let It Ride, Jerry V, Heartbreak, Heartbreak, and Say. Good luck, guys. 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Heartbreak on the bottom, Jerry on the top. Everyone's sleeping on the Blues right now. Alright guys, AL East, Central, West, NL East, Central, and West 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. AL East on the bottom, AL West on the top. Alright, Jerry, this time you have the AL West, Let It Ride, you have the NL West, Heartbreak, you have the NL East, Say, AL Central, PC Nelly, NL Central, and Sean, the AL East. Stan, why didn't you change it to Stanimal? Come on. Alright, anybody want to make moves or sell? I'll give someone $5 for the Brewers. $5 if you guys want to sell the Brewers. What division the Brewers in? Alex? Which one, AL or NL? NL Central? Who's the NL Central? PC Nelly will give you $5 for the Brewers. Yeah, Anaheim Hills is nice too. Villa Park, home of Mark Trumbaum. Should just move to Brea, John. You can live next door to my parents. There's like 4 houses for sale in my parents' neighborhood. Oh, I don't know about that statement, Frank. No Brea? Why no Brea, John? What's wrong with Brea? No, that's not very nice. Placentia is the funniest name for a city. I don't know, when I went to high school, Canyon was not a good school. We have a hobby case as a random team, Stan. That only has 1 spot taken in it. So I don't know if that'll go tonight or tomorrow. I'm out of loose boxes, though. What, so you're saying Brea is dirty? $7 for the Mets. Say what? The one that we're in right now? We're in Palm Springs, California, so Palm Desert, Palm Springs. Alright. We got Andrew Benintendi, Anthony Rizzo. First auto is TJ Friedel for the Reds. Reds are NL Central. PC Nelly. Tri-Cities Park, man, in Placentia. They got ducks there. They're evil. The ducks at Tri-Cities Parks are evil. They attack you. Alright. Vlad Guerrero Jr., Chris Bryant. We got Eloy and Mark Trumbaum. Blue out of 150. We got Alexander Bregman. Alex Reyes and Mike Sirocco. Blue paper out of 150 for the Braves. Billy Ripken with no bat barrel. Billy Ripken. I wonder if they did a bat barrel one. JP Crawford. Nick Solak. Refractor out of 499. I wouldn't expect anything less for your Belinda, Frank. Anything less. Corey Seager, Nolan Garcia. Ozzy Albies and Cliff Floyd. We have so much room for activities with our friends. And we got Tyler Glasnow and autograph time. Refractor autograph. Andrew Sopko for the Dodgers. NL West. 37 of 499. 37 of 499. Andrew Sopko. Who has the NL West? Let it ride, Lucas. What are we doing with? Alright. What is our last auto of the box going to be? It's going to be a redemption. Oh, we got a redemption and a purple auto for the Braves. Abraham Gutierrez. Extra auto box. 182 of 250. Abraham Gutierrez. Braves. NL East. HBP. 250. We've had a couple boxes with 4 autos. But a couple hobbies with 2 autos. Jake Thompson out of 499. 70th anniversary. Anderson Espinosa and Tim Belcher. Josh Bell, Yankees, Matt Theus. Purple out of 250. And your redemption, if it is a lucky redemption or a buyback, guys, we'll random it off to everyone in the break. Good luck, guys. Protected by Gavin Lux. Bowman Ascent autograph. Boom! Chris Bryant. Cubs are what? Which one? Huh? PC Nelly. PC Nelly. Congrats, man. Yeah, I know the East and the West. I don't know the Centrals. Christopher Bryant. Congrats, Nelly. Boom sauce. 4 auto box with a Bryant. 4 auto box with a Bryant.